Hello everyone and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On today's video, we're going to make a aviation, which is fitting because I work in aviation. No, I'm not a pilot. I work on avionics, all the electrical stuff. So it is fitting that I make you guys an aviation cocktail, which has been around since I believe 1916 when it first appeared in a book. So it's a pretty old drink. Classic cocktail. All right, first we're going to start off with gin. And we're going to go 2 ounces, and we just so happen to be using some aviation gin. Fits the theme, right? 2 ounces. Next, we're going to go with half an ounce of maraschino liqueur. You know, that's the cherry stuff. So we're going to go just half an ounce. Next, we're going to go with 1/4 of an ounce of creme de violette. This is where it gets its color from. The nice purple hue of an aviation cocktail, but we're only going to go 1/4 of an ounce. Last, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of a fresh lemon juice. It's already squeezed. Add some ice, give it a good stir. Just trying to get it nice and chilled. That was as fast as a propeller on an airplane. All right, next we're going to strain it into our glass. I'm going to use a Coupe glass. There you have it. By an Aviator. Cheers. This is my first time having this. I didn't know what to expect. I like it. Solid cocktail. I can see why it's been around for 100 years. Really good. The lime and the gin, the lemon and the gin play off each other nice. It's not as really, like I don't really taste the maraschino as much, but it's there. But really good drink, guys. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.